Hey everybody, today we're making one of my favorite crock pot dishes, and it's super easy to make, and you can put it on top of all sorts of kinds of carbs. It can be on top of rice or pasta. You're starting with an 8-ounce packet of sliced mushrooms and 1 packet of Italian dressing, the dry packet. To that, you're going to add 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup and 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese. This is such an easy recipe, guys. I can't recommend this enough. You just do kind of have to keep it all inside the crock pot, though. So once you have all that together, you're going to add a 1/2 cup of sour cream, because what we're making today is a chicken stroganoff. And stroganoff is definitely a sour cream filled dish. So yeah, about 1/2 cup right there. Maybe just a little bit more. And then you're gonna mix all this together so it's all one happy, harmonious sauce. And once that's all combined, this is 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast. You're just going to put that all in there, and then you're just going to make sure that it's all coating. All the chicken pieces are coated with this cream cheese, sour cream, cream of mushroom soup mixture. And once you make sure that all the chicken pieces are covered in that creamy sauce, you're going to set this on low for 4 to 6 hours and let it cook. Ooh, look at this, guys. It looks so good. Go ahead and take my forks, give this a good stir, and then start shredding up that chicken. Oh, smells amazing. Okay, and then I've got some egg noodles going on the stove, so let me put this all together so we can do our taste test. Okay, so I have these egg noodles. I'm gonna get this. Oh, it looks so good. Get all that chicken and mushroom goodness. Oh. Seriously, I make this all the time, but it's like the best chicken stroganoff. And there you go. Let me go ahead and do a little taste test. And this is like great with egg noodles, but it's also really good with like rice. Remember, like, I think it's called like chicken a la king. It's kind of like that. It is super hot, but so flavorful, very tasty. You guys have to make this. This is so good.